In this video of 1 to Step, I'm going to walk you through on how to log in to your Zodiac Casino account. If you're trying to play online on the platform of Zodiac Casino, then you'll need to first log into your account. So if you also want to learn how you can log in, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. To visit the website of Zodiac Casino, you can search for zodiac.casino on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, it's going to take you to its website. From the website, you can see an option called Login on the top. You can just click on it and again click here to log in. Now once you're on the section of Zodiac Casino Game Assist, it's going to show you the section of creating your account or registering for Zodiac Casino if you haven't already. If you already have, click on Login and this login form will open up. So in this first box, you need to type in the username of your account, and similarly in the second box, type in the password. If you want to stay signed in the next time you visit this website, make sure you check this box. And now you can click on Login, and if the details that you enter are correct, you'll be successfully logged in to your Zodiac Casino account. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.